The automatic plywood gluing production line, equipped with the 180-degree automatic panel turner, is specially developed for plywood construction formwork and veneer production, realizing fully automatic gluing, turning, conveying and continuous production, which is a core intelligent equipment to solve labor shortage and unstable product quality problems for modern wood-based panel factories. First of all, the high-precision automatic gluing machine adopts advanced roller coating technology with stable and controllable glue output system. It can precisely adjust glue volume, glue thickness and gluing speed according to different veneer thickness, wood species and production requirements. Whether it is thin veneer for high-grade plywood or thick core board for construction formwork, it can complete uniform single-side gluing quickly. It effectively avoids common problems such as glue overflow, missing coating, uneven gluing and waste of glue in manual gluing process. Next, the 180-degree automatic panel turner. As we all know, plywood production requires double-sided gluing of veneers, and traditional manual turning is time-consuming, labor-intensive and easy to scratch and damage the board surface. This panel turner uses pneumatic hydraulic linkage and stable turning structure. It can flip the glued veneer completely and smoothly at one time, with no deformation, no scratch and no offset of the board. In addition to gluing machine and panel turner, our whole production line is also equipped with automatic feeding conveyor, buffer conveying system and finished board stacking area. The whole production process forms a closed-loop assembly line: veneer feeding, automatic single-side gluing, 180-degree automatic turning, reverse double-side gluing, continuous conveying, finished board stacking. The whole line only needs 1 or 2 workers for simple supervision and auxiliary feeding, which can replace 6 to 8 manual workers in traditional gluing workshops. It greatly reduces labor costs, avoids human errors caused by long-time manual work, and realizes stable 24-hour continuous production. This gluing production line has strong adaptability. It can process veneers of various specifications such as 4-foot, 8-foot and larger size plates, and is compatible with water-based white latex, environmental fanned glue and per hot melt glue. It can be perfectly connected with veneer peeling line, cold press, hot press, board laying line, and other equipment to form a complete, intelligent plywood production system. Whether it is a small and medium-sized plywood factory, or a larger-scale modern intelligent production workshop, this set of gluing line can meet your production needs of high efficiency, low cost and stable quality. In short, the automatic plywood gluing production line, with 180-degree panel turner realizes unmanned gluing and turning process, effectively solves the pain points of difficult recruitment, high labor cost and unstable product quality for wood-based panel factories. It is an essential equipment for upgrading plywood production to intelligence and automation, helping factories improve production efficiency and market competitiveness comprehensively. Thank you for watching our introduction today. For detailed information about our equipment, please feel free to contact us at any time. WhatsApp, phone 15963347203.